announce it. First of all, Merry Christmas. Second of all, I missed you. Did you miss me? Third of all, are we like in a toxic relationship? I'm so sorry to say this, but I feel like we're in a toxic relationship and it's 100% my fault. I keep telling you that I'm gonna change, that I'm gonna post regularly, subscribe, wait for my next upload, and then I ghost you for weeks, months on end. But I'm here and I'm not gonna promise anything. I am sitting down. I'm going to show you guys around the studio. I have not showed you guys the studio since I got my new lash bed, so let me show you around and do a full tour. I am currently reading my Memphis, it's the Scout Guide for Memphis, Tennessee. I am manifesting to be in this one day. You guys know I don't have a business name. I don't have a full brand. So once I do, I will be right here. This is where I go get my nails done, and I have it always like here on either couch. So when my guests are sitting down, you can pan and show them the little waiting area. Rudy's recording, by the way. Rudy, you can pan. Oh. Rudy's currently demonstrating how it looks waiting in the waiting area. I'm going to quickly show you guys around this area because you guys have seen it a gazillion times. The crown molding on this wall my husband did. I got this couch and this rug at home. I have a little garland, a pillow. This is from Amazon, I believe. This swivel chair is one of my favorite pieces in the studio. I got her at Home Goods. I have a cute little gingerbread man pillow that I got at Claire's, I believe. This area, again, you guys have seen it a gazillion times. All of this is mostly like from Amazon. I'll have it linked down in my Amazon storefront for you guys. My permanent jewelry area, which is also from Amazon, TJ Maxx, Live Bay Lash. A lot of this stuff I will have linked down below on my Amazon storefront. My newest addition to the studio is my snack bar that I'm so proud of. I'm slowly building it, trying to see what my guests love. So I always have sweet and salty snacks over here. And during like the holiday season, so like during Halloween, I had more Halloween snacks. Right now it's Christmas time, so I have more Christmas snacks. Let me show you what we have today. So we have the snack bar and the mini fridge over here. For the sweet, I have some chocolate. This right here is dark chocolate with sea salt caramel. We have some peppermint bark, and we also have milk chocolate caramel. For the salty, we have some Pringles. I was gonna say pretzels. We have some Pringles. We also have some chewy yogurt. Again, these snacks are constantly changing. We always have pink Starburst. That is a must here in the studio. Some little Oreos, and right now, because it is Christmas time, I have some candy canes. On top of the mini fridge, by the way, I got the mini fridge and this little cart on Amazon. Down below, I have the salty, which are these little snowballs, white cheddar cheese. Got these snacks, by the way, all at Target. I have some high chew, all the flavors. This one's mango, this one's grape. I've tried them. I personally don't like them, but they are depleting as my week goes on, so I think my guests are loving it. I have one day until Christmas left. Let me know in the comments, do you guys celebrate Christmas on Christmas Eve or Christmas Day? Because personally, as a Latina, we have always celebrated the 24th and the 25th. And inside the mini fridge, we have a plethora of beverages. Water, obviously Alani Nu. We have Sprite, Dr. Pepper, and we have some green tea down here. Again, I'm just like slowly figuring out what my guests like. They really don't like soda that much. The Coca-Cola did go off the shelf, so maybe Coca-Cola. Dr. Pepper has not moved that much. Water definitely, and Alani Nu definitely, which I knew these would be a hit because a lot of my guests are runners. They like to work out. They're moms, so they're on the go. And after their gorgeous lash nap on my gorgeous bed, they wake up, they come get an ice cold Alani, and then they go kill their day. So that's what's in the mini fridge. Let's move on to this area. Let's do a quick OOTD before I show you guys my lashing area. By the way, this mirror I got at Sam's Club. I have a little Santa hat on, a crew neck with Santa Claus on it, black leggings, and then I got my little mini platform Uggs with some Christmas socks. They're reindeer on there. Just a quick PSA before I show you guys, this area is not 100% done, as you can tell by this frame that has no picture inside the frame. It's a frameless frame, pictureless frame. You know what I mean. Testing 1 2 3. I put you guys on a tripod because Rudy was getting a little tired of holding the camera. Let me go behind my retail area and tell you guys a little bit about this situation right here. I have my water that I'm going to put down here. This is an actual DIY reception desk. I got the idea from Dollhouse. If you guys don't know who Dollhouse is, they are my favorite .03 lash brand. I'll have them linked down below because I do have a discount code with Dollhouse. Use my code Jesicavxo and you get money off your full purchase from Dollhouse. Anyways, they have a YouTube video that I'll also link down below showing how they made their DIY reception desk. Now I believe they have upgraded. They just got a storefront and it is so gorgeous. But before, they did have a DIY desk. I don't know about now, but it's so easy. It is a little cubby system back here. This is like something you get from Home Depot, and then we just got a little topper. I have my iPad right here. This I got from IKEA. Alani, of course, and we do have a package from Lightheart. Let's open her up. I did just order a bunch of her lash cleansers from Lightheart. You can see here that I'm going to be retailing in the studio. Let me quickly show you guys what I have going on here before we see what I have in here. I have lash brushes. I have a bunch of custom stuff from Allie from Made to Dream. I have everything you need for aftercare, literally, and then just some cute little accessories over here. This is my retail shelf. I am slowly building her up as well. I would love to have merch potentially in the future and just some fun items for my guests to be able to purchase. In here we have let me go sit down over there and show you guys what we have here. Come on, let's go here. Okay, you guys, this is my working area. Should I do this with the, no. I am not using my iPad as a viewfinder as I usually do. I'm using the camera little viewfinder, and I hope this looks fine. Anyways, this is my lashing area. I have a plush and oak bed. I've been having this bed for about 6 months now, and I love it. I have a Glamcore light. This is the Multimedia X light from Glamcore, which I am trying to upgrade to the Moonlight, but just like my lashing bed, there is so many mixed reviews out there. People either love it or they hate it. I have never heard someone feel neutral about their light or a plush and oak bed, which the plush and oak bed was so expensive, but I just finally bit the bullet. Is that a saying, or am I just making things up? I just purchased it, and again, I've been loving it, so I might upgrade to the Moonlight. Please let me know, like, if you guys are loving it, if you guys hate it. I don't know, but I have the light, the Glamcore Multimedia X, like I mentioned. It comes with a bunch of attachments. It does not come with this little tray. This little tray I got on Amazon, which I will have linked down below. You can attach it to any light that you have. It comes with a little phone mount here. I love how much workspace this bed has, and of course with my tray it extends even more. Even if I didn't have the tray, my client's head is literally like this big, and you have all this workspace on either side. I lash with a palette, so this is perfect for me. Again, I've been loving this bed. I have a crisscross chair from Amazon that I love, and I just sit perfectly fine. I feel so comfortable lashing on it. And let's open up what I got from Lightheart, because I know you guys are dying to see what I got. I got the Shirley Temple, their new lash colors. Hold on, let me open her up. I'm really excited to try this color out. It looks like this. Cute. Shirley Temple. This is the color. So cute. I'm so excited to try this color out. So I got the Shirley Temple lashes in 0.03C mixed curl 7 all the way up to 15 mm. I asked this a while ago. What do you guys say? Do you guys say 0.03 or do you guys just say 0.03, 0.07, 0.15, whatever, so on and so forth? Or do you guys always say the 0 point, you know what I'm talking about? Let me know. Okay, let's see what other goodies we got. I got the cleansing primer and the bonder. Ooh, how exciting. These are made in the USA, baby. This bonder is going to reduce fumes, it cures adhesive, maximizes retention. The cleansing primer is going to cleanse oils, it's going to maximize your retention and optimize the pH level. I got 2 tweezers of the Sweetie tweezer, which I think I'm gonna love. Oh, camera. Oh. We're back in action, baby. So these are the Sweetie tweezers. They look like this. Let me take it out of the packaging so you guys can see a little bit better, because I know the lighting in here is a little wonky donkey. This is the Sweetie tweezer. It has the LH down there. It also has the little measuring tool right there. And she looks like this, with also, I believe all of their tweezers have like the little microfiber waffle type tip. It doesn't feel as thick as other microfiber, or I forget what they call it, the type of tweezer tip that this is, but they say that it's like an etched glass file. So excited to try these out. I also got a Light Heart glass tile, and it looks like, let me open her up as well to show you. This is how they look. ASMR. Gorgeous, gorgeous. It's just a glass tile where you put your adhesive. The little stars snatch up your base. Once you're done using these, you'll throw them in acetone, and then they're good to use over and over and over again. So instead of using a glue ring, a glue, I said glue ring, a glue flower, a glue cup. Breathe. I'm sorry, I haven't filmed in a long time and I'm like all over the, well, I was gonna say my brain is all over the place. Hi, welcome back. Welcome back, Jessica. As I was saying, instead of using a glue cup or a glue ring that you have to dispose after one use, these are reusable for a lifetime. Let me quickly show you guys my lashing cart, aka my lashing drawer full of amazing lash goodies. This first drawer is usually where I keep my SMA, so I have all of my gold lash trays, and I have my tweezers that I'm gonna use, my disposable items like my gel pads, my adhesive rings, all that good stuff. Talking about adhesive rings, they are right here at the very top. Let me show you guys what's on the top. I need to fix the situation, but what is currently on the top is this really sweet note that Live Base sent. It says, in 2013, we sold the landlord's fridge to pay her rent. Let this be a sign that regardless of what your circumstances are, God can turn it around. We love you. And I love Live Bay. They sent me a little mini fridge full of goodies, and I am forever thankful for this note because it unlocked something in my brain, and I was like, oh my goodness. Also, I have these really cute matches that I custom made for Christmas gifts this year for my guests. It says you plus Jesica Lashes equals the perfect match. I got inspired by Borboleta. They sent me some matches and I was like, oh my god, I need some matches. I also gave my guest a rose candle, and the top says XOXO Jesica Lashes. Let me turn this off now. Well, that's the top of my lashing cart, and again, inside this is where I keep my SMA, some tweezers that I have not opened up yet. These are my clean tweezers. These are my dirty tweezers that need to be cleaned, disinfected, sanitized. when we go down here, this is where I keep all my other goodies, which are just like primers, adhesives, disposable items, tape. This right here is my favorite scent ever. It's by Frenchie. I got it at Target. My friend Ashley, she put me on, and I always spray this. It smells divine. Some cleansers, fan, head pads, all the goodies. Moving on here, this is where I have all of my lashes. As you can tell, Dollhouse, these are my absolute favorite lashes, Dollhouse 0.03. Then moving on to Borboleta. These have become some of my favorite. I need to restock. Lash Vacay. Of course, we have Light Heart. These are the new ones that I just got. And these are mostly the lashes that I love. Dollhouse, Borboleta, Lash Vacay, and Light Heart. Moving on to this side, this is where I have all of my Lalo palettes, which I am trying to build a mini collection of, just so each one of my guests has their own Lalo tile. And that is the gist of my lashing cart. Over here we have one Christmas tree, and then we have a second Christmas tree right over here. I did keep my Christmas tree pretty simple this year. I didn't add any ornaments to it. You guys, it is December 23rd today as I'm filming this. You can tell because everything's like falling apart, but I did keep it pretty simple because I wanted to do like this little draping of beads, but I needed to purchase more and then I just ran out of time. So this is what we got, which is still cute but plain. Anyways, I have two little nutcrackers down there. This mini Christmas tree right here has a bunch of little pink bows on it, which is so cute. Moving on to this area, I have a little seating area where I take like my before pictures of my clients. Over here I have a little clothing rack where my guests can put their sweaters, their jackets, I just said that, their purses. They could place their phone, keys, glasses, anything like that. Down here on the second shelf I have some shoe covers. I actually always have like 3 pairs here, but I need a new one right here. I roll up 2 at a time just so when my guests don't want to take off their shoes, they can just place some shoe covers over their shoes. Down here I have some portable chargers because of course my plush and oak bed doesn't have a charger. So I have this one for the newer iPhone, and then I also have this one for the older iPhone. Let me open her up. Can I do it with one hand? Ta-da! This is like the older iPhone charger. And then I have a little trash can right there. Over here I have everything to make the lashing experience cozier. So I have super cozy blankets, of course, a little gingerbread. How cute. Don't mind that because I was like digging through my fluffed Christmas tree. What is it? The white Christmas tree. It's called a my flocked Christmas tree, and now I'm like full of fake snow. Leg bolster, head pillow down here, all the things to make the lashing experience, like I mentioned, a lot cozier. Before we get done with today's video, I want to say thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I hope you guys enjoyed my Christmas studio tour. And again, I know we're currently in a toxic relationship, but I am going to therapy. I'm gonna be better. I want to connect with you guys again and build a strong connection. So hopefully you guys see me next week because I do want to film one of my yearly videos, an OG video, which is by Felicia, and just sharing my favorite products of 2024. So hopefully that comes out next week right before New Year's. But thank you again for being here. Merry Christmas. Have the best time with your family and your loved ones, and I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video. I'll see you soon.